Union Minister of Ayush, Sarbananda Sonowal, revealed recently that the Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homoeopathy (NEIAH) has successfully trained close to 1,000 professionals in Ayurveda and homeopathy. This achievement has significantly strengthened the healthcare infrastructure in the region, particularly in Meghalaya, as the nation progresses towards realizing the vision of a Swastha Bharat or Healthy India. During the event, Sonowal inaugurated a new guest house and initiated the construction of essential facilities, including administrative and pharmacy buildings, along with a boundary wall equipped with periphery road and external electrification. The newly opened guest house offers accommodation and conference facilities across an area of more than 1,700 square meters, emphasizing eco-friendly features and modern conveniences. Key developments include the upcoming administrative building spanning 3,160 square meters and the pharmacy building, both expected to enhance healthcare delivery. The event saw virtual participation from Union Minister of State for Ayush and Women and Child Development, Dr. Manjupara Mahendra, alongside other dignitaries including Secretary of Ayush, Vaidya Rajesh Kotecha, Vice Chancellor of the Northeastern Hill University, Professor P.S. Shukla, Joint Secretary of Ministry of Ayush, B.K. Singh, and the Director of NEIAH, Professor Neeta Maheshkar.
It is a cultural symbol and it is often used by the Khasis. Yes, that is the kunuk for you, the kunuk, which is a very traditional
सर आप आगे सर आइए बीके जी
and laid the foundation stone for the construction of boundary wall, pharmacy and administrative block for NEIAH. And I firmly believe that this particular infrastructure facility will help this particular institution to grow and also to accommodate their expectation in many ways. Particularly, just few minutes back when the director, NEIAH, during her welcome speech mentioned about the total number of footfall in the OPD. It's very encouraging, the figure is very encouraging in both Ayurveda and homeopathy. So that reflects your kind of credibility, all of your credibility, whatever quality service you have rendered, ultimately that have created confidence among the common masses.